We had an idea. What if we could empower our developers with a local application to make their day-to-day jobs even better? We saw that AI was following data to the device, and we really wanted to be consistent with that flow.
We see humans and AI collaborating and complementing each other. We expect generative AI to drive significant amount of compute. And then with that, you have to start thinking about how to deploy this cost effectively. On-device AI is an emerging space, and Dell Technologies is operating right at that bleeding edge. We decided to deploy AI-enabled laptops to our developers first.
We said to Dell, let's test this hypothesis together. So we created an out-of-the-box AI application that runs code Llama 7B on the device. We bought Dell Latitude AI PCs for our developers across offices and verticals, and we are watching closely and measuring both the experience and the impact.
We're seeing benefits from Dell AI devices. First of all, service availability. Whether you're connected to the internet or not, the AI service is 100% of the time available. Second, data privacy and security. Your data never leaves the laptop.
So our developers were really excited to get their laptops. One in particular was really optimistic after initial testing. Now she's using the AI plugin, and a process that would take 60 minutes to get up to speed on an existing project is now taking half the time. The excitement, the energy, the enthusiasm from our developers, that's what makes all of the difference. We see this as the future, and we want to lead now.